Welcome to your Isoko language tutorial class. I'm going to be your instructor, and together we'll learn together. I am Etoken. Now, first of all, the English language has 26 alphabets, A, B, C, D to Z. The Isoko language has similar alphabets, except for some omissions. 2 letters in the English language alphabet are not in the Isoko language alphabet. They are letter Q and letter X, which is ox. Those two letters are not useful in the Isoko language. In place of them, there's an addition. The addition of letter E has an addition of an E with a dot under, which sounds as E, and letter O with a dot under, which sounds as O, and letter I with a dot under, which sounds as E, and letter U with a dot under, which sounds like O. Now, there's an A, there is an O, has long and short vowels. So that's it for it. So now, basically, the old Isoko language had 26 letters. We call it Abidi. We call the letters Abidi. So we had 26 letters, which is the Abidi and Y, the old letters. Now the new one has 28, which is Abidi or Bo, or Bo. New is or Bo. So the new letters has 28. Now I will read the old letters. I'll start with them. Now, before I read with them, there's a letter that is silent but cannot be ignored. It comes to life when there's another letter attached to it, and that's the letter C. The C in the Isoko language does not basically have a sound of its own most times unless it's attached to a letter. And most of the time, the letter that brings it forth is the letter H. So, having said that, let me read the old alphabets. A, B, D, and Y. Me size. Let me read them. A, B, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. That is the old alphabet, A, B, D, and Y. The new alphabet, which is 28 letters, is A, B, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. That is for the 28th alphabet. And I said the letter C is silent because it does not come alive except attached with another letter. Thank you.